been looking for a therapy place like here, and I never found since I'm 61 years old to go and visit somebody who knows what he's doing. And I have a patient that I have broken 53 bones and I have 20 screws in my body in different accidents, motorcycle accidents mainly, and I never found the person who would fix me after I am rehabbed. So he is doing the super rehabilitation that I am starting to move better, and he is putting everything in order as if I was newly born.
Take a massive breath in, please, and out. And again, big breath in and out. Take a massive breath in. Good. And again, massive breath in. Big breath in.